All right, so I'm lifting again. I'm still lifting. Just lifting it, and I don't want to lift it. Oh, it's working. It's lifting. Now, hopefully this sucker won't fall over, because it's going to be at an angle while I'm lifting, just a little, because I'm leaning it up against that shit, laundry and secret stash spot. All right. And that feels pretty snug there. Shake the bike a little. Alrighty. Let's get the lifting part. I don't know if you can see, but hope this video comes out good so everybody can use it, and you can see the weird person that I am by looking at all my other videos. Oh, this is a strap for my helmet. Yes, I was looking for that. Alright, so everything's loose already, and you want to loosen all the bolts and stuff before you actually lift the bike. Because once you lift it, then your tire's going to spin, and you're like, shit, you have to drop it back down again. But, trial and error. You guys are really going to like the video. There's going to be a lot of cussing and stuff when I actually try to get the tire back onto the fucking rim. A lot of cussing in foreign languages. English, Spanish, and maybe drop that Fangul in whatever language that is. Alrighty then. Oh yeah. Oh damn it, it's already falling. And that's hitting the muffler, that's what's making a noise. That's not good. Multi-purpose first aid kit. Also used as good as a bike. Even tells me this bike's gonna want to fall. Anywhere or another. Alright. I don't know what you guys can see there, but okay, got my stump, keeping it kind of level. I've got that leaning up against my little garage toolbox thingy. So this is what it looks like. It's almost level. That's gonna have to work. Okay. You can hear a lot of grunting and cussing and shit. Oh yeah. As you can see, this is the V4, so each fucking exhaust has its own little tube, and I've got the jack right. Oh, you can see it right up against this frame of the bike. It's the frame, and so far so good. Looks pretty level. Looks like it's gonna hold. Alrighty, let's put this back so you guys can still see. And if you can, I'm sorry, people. It's just the basics. This is basically just me lifting the bike and trying to learn. Don't smoke, it's bad for you. You lose half a lung. You'll realize it's like shit. Can't run, can't do shit no more. I can still run. Just don't like to. Alright, the bike is off the ground. Now, I'm going to go ahead and remove this nut. And, okay. away the other ones. Ta-da! And get my little rubber mallet. Ta-da! Bought this toolbox at I think either Target or Walmart or one of those cheap stores. They have their own toolbox. The ratchet broke, piece of shit. But it had everything else that I need. I've had this thing for like 5 years now, the toolbox, and I think I've used everything in it. Damn, I'm out of shape. I'm tired. Okay. I was told that this will work. It's not working. Oh, it is. It's only going little by little, though. By see here. Oh, I gotta loosen this clamp. See, trial and error. I gotta loosen this right here. Make this come out easier. Hope that doesn't do anything major. Alrighty. Do it right now. Bam. Now I recommend that you use the proper tools for everything because, like, this is an old bike, and if I strip something, I'm screwed. I might as well strip my wang. Oh, good. Little by little. Don't force anything. It will break. And perfect. Nice and loose. So I just loosen that so I can get this out. Alrighty. This is still. And sorry about